मैंने क्रिएट किया है कीपिंग द थीम इन द माइंड ऑफ नवरात्रि. Hello, welcome to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this Navratri season. Your pile is back with another video. So I have kept like बहुत ही simple सा थोड़ा brownish, nudish type mauvish look रखा है. So जिन लोग के घर में सुबह को पूजा होता है तो they can carry out like this mirror dupatta as well as a mirror jacket and a white kurta. मैंने simple एक white kurta को मैंने mix and match करके so I've tried to keep it very minimum and also you can carry out like आप दुपट्टा नहीं भी लेना चाहो तो you can wear this jacket as well as a patiala and you're good to go. So let's not talk much and get into the video and I will be showing you कि मैंने ऐसे ये लुक कैसे क्रिएट किया है. सो here first of all I am applying a moisturizer. तो moisturizer is very important before you apply a makeup. So I am applying a Kaya Youth Cream and it's a very lightweight cream and it will instantly absorb and give you that brightening effect in your face. After that I am using a primer. Primer is a very important step. So this time I am using a primer from Lakme. It's a tinted primer and it has a soft pinkish tone in it. So I am applying the primer in my pores area. So generally मेरे ज़्यादा pores तो है नहीं but फिर भी मेरे pores मेरे cheeks में थोड़ा सा है तो there I will be just dabbing it. Don't rub the primer, just dab the primer. So after that I will be applying my foundation. So here I am using the sachet which I've got free from the purchasing any of my Lakme cosmetic. I don't remember. So I've thought of using it in this video. So I'm using this mousse foundation. This is also one of my favorite texture from the foundation collections from the Lakme. So it's very lightweighted. You can wear it daily. If you're going to office you can carry it out. It's very lightweight and you will not feel that you have applied any foundation and it will sit in your face properly. And my shade is beige. I will be mixing the Swiss Beauty illuminator in it so that I will get this is because this is a festive season, you all want that glow. So for that extra glow I will be applying the I will be mixing the illuminator in the foundation and then I will be applying it in my face. After that I will be applying a compact powder from Nykaa. So I'm just dusting the compact in my face so that कि मेरा जो foundation है it sits properly in my face. So after that I will be doing my eyebrows. For that I am using Sugar's 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil. Its tip is very precise so you can create the hair like strokes in your eyebrows. If you have the space in your like gaps in your eyebrows so वो आपके fill up करने में बहुत ही easy होगा. And it also helps the application very easy. Like when you have the tip बहुत पतला होता है ना thin होता है तो वो आपके application में easy होता है. तो first of all you draw 2 lines below the eyebrow as well as above the eyebrow. Then you just comb with the spoolie and then fill the gaps. So after that I will be applying one of my favorite product, that is blush. So I am using this Sugar's 3-in-1 palette. You are getting a blush, highlighter as well as a contour. So this is a very win-win situation palette. So you can go like you don't have to buy 3 whole lot of sets of product. So this blush is a very pinkish colored tone and it will really suit every skin tone. So after doing my blush I will be doing my lips. So I'm using a nude lip liner from Swiss Beauty. So I have a whole slot of mini review. If you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. So guys, it has 12 sets of lip liners. You're gonna love it and it's a very win-win palette. So after doing my lips I will be straight away going to my eyes and for that I am using a palette from the Nika K and it's a brown nudish kind of like palette. So first we will apply a light brown shade in a crease line to give that transition color. Then after that and you blend it very seamlessly. Like first of all you dab the color, then you just blend the color with your clean brush. After using the light brown color we will be using a dark brown color and again we will be dabbing it in the outer corner as well as the inner corner and then we will blend both the color, the light brown color as well as the dark brown color to get that brown to light shade in our crease, brownish shimmer color in the inner corners of my eyes. So this shimmer color will give you this festive effect in your look. See, I am using my fingers to just apply the shimmer color. I am not using any brushes. You don't need brushes to apply like the shimmer colors, because आपके pigment जो है वो आपके fingers से ज़्यादा अच्छा you can like apply it. It all depends upon your like आपका comfort के हिसाब से वो है. So I have completed my eyeshadow look. After that we will be doing my eyelashes. So for that I am using the Miniso eyelash curler. So Amos, make sure that when you're using such tools, be careful with your eyes, like don't hurt yourself. So after curling my eyes, I will be applying the Wet n Wild mascara. So this is one of the affordable and one of the best mascaras I have used. So it will not give you that voluminous effect, but it will give you that natural lending of your eyelashes. After that I am applying a highlighter from the Sugar Cosmetic palette, and then I am applying it in the eyebrow bone as well as the inner corner of my eyes with the help of my finger. So guys, this is my final look. So I wear like jhumka as well as मैंने एक bangle पहना है. That's it, and I hope you're gonna like this look. ये बहुत ही easy look है, like you can carry it out very easily in this festive season. So Amors, if you're liking my festive look, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and do share. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that you're gonna be the first one to get notifications when I post the videos. And stay safe and enjoy puja.
I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I'm cursed by every day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, and now I know